The best way to remove poverty in developing countries is to provide 6 years of free education to all children so that they can read, write, and use numbers. Do you agree or disagree? So, agree, disagree essay. And I have underlined this word remove poverty. You can use different synonyms for this word in your essay, like the best way to remove poverty in developing countries. So for remove poverty, you can use alleviating poverty. Remove and alleviating both have the same meaning. So lift many households out of poverty. This is another way of writing this. You have to paraphrase in introduction. If you will use the same word as in the essay prompt, then it would not be good for your band scores. So try to paraphrase and use synonyms and topic related vocabulary. Next is eradicate poverty. Remove and eradicate and alleviate. They have the same meaning. They are synonyms. Lessen poverty. Eradicating poverty, eradicate and eradicating. This is how you can show the examiner that how like your grammar is perfect. You know how to use a same word, like you are adding ing with eradicate and here only e. So this is the way of showing the examiner that how good your English is, that you are an expert user. And reduce poverty. Okay, remove, alleviate, lift, eradicate, lessen, eradicating, and reduce all have the same meaning. They are synonyms. Okay, so main thing of this essay is remove poverty, okay, by providing education. And we will use different synonyms to explain and we have our own opinion, so we have to agree or disagree. So in this essay I'm going to disagree and I will show how to use these synonyms in your essay. So first look at the introduction. Education plays a key role in alleviating poverty. So instead of using remove poverty, I have used alleviating poverty. Okay, that is why providing 6 years of free education to children seems to be a good solution to reduce poverty. Okay, remove poverty, alleviating poverty, and reduce poverty. However, I disagree that it is the best solution. I believe that primary education alone is not enough and steps also need to be taken to maintain the quality of free education provided. Okay, so first I paraphrase and then I give my opinion. Now look at the body paragraphs. There are many reasons why 6 years of free education is a good way to lessen poverty. Admittedly, the basic skills of reading and writing throws open many doors. Building skilled workforce can lift many households out of poverty. Many economists around the world have proposed that if all the students of low-income countries left school with basic reading and writing skills, it could eradicate 12% of the world poverty. It has been seen that the direct cost of sending a child to school, as well as, look, this is the complex sentence and your essay should be a mixture of compound, complex, simple and conditional sentences. Okay, as well as the indirect cost of losing a source of labor deters the poor from sending their children to school. Therefore, providing 6 years of free education seems a viable solution to eradicate poverty. However, delivering 6 years of free access to education alone is not enough. And so, it cannot be considered as the best way to lessen poverty. Okay, all children need the chance to complete not only primary school but also secondary school. For instance, and for example, this shows that this is the example, and you can use any example from your experience. Okay, this is the example. Furthermore, also use these type of connectors. Furthermore, however, moreover, as well as. Just providing 6 years free education would not be enough if steps were not taken to ensure the quality of such education. This is the conditional sentence, and I have already said if you want to get 7, 7.5 or 8 band scores in your writing, you have to use conditional sentences, complex sentences, simple sentences, compound sentences in your essay, as well as in your task 1, and use formal English. It should be ensured that children actually learn. The quality of this education should be equitable to that of other premium educational institutes. Faculty recruitment, infrastructural maintenance, and pro-learning programs should be effectively monitored by the authorities. Otherwise, all the government funding can prove futile. So, to sum up, 6 years of free education can go a long way in eradicating poverty, but compound sentence. I reiterate that 6 years of education is not the best solution as complex sentence, as it is not enough, and also steps need to be taken to ensure the quality of this education.